Welcome back. To get started, sign into your Browseract. Then, find the Template Marketplaces tab and search for the eBay Targeted Product Price Scraper. As always, we've included the full guidance. Just select Create from Template to continue. Inside the workflow, you'll see the input parameters. These are crucial because they tell our tool exactly what to do. You'll need to specify the product you're looking for on eBay and also set a minimum rating to ensure we only scrape products with a quality you can trust. The other nodes are straightforward. First, the tool visits the search page. It then finds and extracts all the product data. If there's more content, it will automatically scroll down, extract more data, and repeat this process until it reaches the pagination. Here's what the agent does. It scrolls down the page, and as it goes, it extracts the data. The information includes the product name, the seller, and a price range. If a product has a single price, both the min price and max price fields will be filled with that same value. And this is the final output. The agent will deliver all the data we discussed, including the product name, its price, and the seller. It's crucial that you copy the JSON data from here. We'll use this to set up the correct structure in your make.com template. Inside the Make templates, search for the eBay Targeted Product Price Scraper and open it. Just follow the guide and I'll be following along with you. You'll just need to connect your Browseract and select the workflow name from the list. From there, you can adjust the inputs if you'd like. This is where we use the JSON data you copied earlier. Just hit Generate, paste the data, and your structure will be ready. You'll want to name this now. It will make it easy to reference and use in other parse nodes down the line. Now, go ahead and create the database. A free account only allows for one, but that's all you'll need for this project. After that, connect all the database nodes. Next, connect the Google Sheet by connecting your account, choosing the correct spreadsheet, and then selecting the sheet name. You'll need to do this for all the other nodes as well. For the email node, you only need to add your account. You can also change the text as you wish. It's okay if this seems a bit overwhelming. Just focus on setting up the nodes for now. We'll brief you on how they all work together in the next section. First, we get the data from the Browseract and then parse it. After that, we check if it's the first run. If it is, we only need to store the data. The iterator's job is to then separate the individual items, and from there, we check to see if each item is already in our database. If it's the first run, or if we don't have the product seller in our database, we just need to store the data. This is because there's nothing to compare it against. But if the seller is already in the database, we can get their last product price. We then use that to compare with the new price and alert the user about any big price changes. As you can see, we check if it's the first run or if the exists value is false. This means we don't have the seller in our database, so we simply store the data. But if the exists value is true, we simply get the last price, compare it, and then update the database with the new price. So, the rule we've created works like this. We compare the data from the database node to the new data from the parsing node. If the price goes up or down by 15%, it triggers an alert. Of course, this is just an example, and you can always customize these rules to whatever works best for you. Our database uses a key value system, and the key is the product combined with the seller. We do this because a product's name can vary, but the seller will remain the same. Let's switch over to see the database we've built inside make.com. Here is the eBay database. Notice that the keys are the seller names, and the corresponding values hold the product's name and its price. Now, for the final step, let's look at the Google Sheet. It contains the product name, price, and the seller's name. With both the database and the Google Sheet, you have a lot of flexibility for comparing data and building on this workflow. You can use each one freely to create the rules you need. Thank you all for watching.